Welcome to the NPTEL MOOC on functional programming in Haskell. Functional programming is a style of programming in which we treat programs as functions. So a functional program is just a set of function definitions. Functional programming is declarative. It tries to explain what the output should be rather than how to compute it in terms of low-level operations. For instance, here is a definition of addition assuming we know how to do +1. It says that if we add 0 to n, we just get n. And if we want to know how to add m plus 1 to n, then we assume inductively that we know how to add m to n, and then we use the +1 function which is given to us. Here is a more interesting example. In school, you may have read of the Sieve of Eratosthenes, which is a procedure for generating all the primes. The procedure says start with an infinite list, 2, 3, 4, etc. Take the smallest number on the list and delete all its multiples and keep doing this. Now this doesn't look like a very efficient or effective way to generate all the primes, but in fact you can program this in Haskell. Here is a 3-line Haskell program which implements the Sieve of Eratosthenes. Let's see how it works. So here is the code. The 3 lines have been compressed in 2 lines in this code. Now we load the Haskell interpreter, which is very much like loading Python if you are familiar with a language like Python. In the interpreter, we load the file we have written, and then we call the function, and lo and behold, it produces an unending list of primes. In fact, the only way to stop this is to abort the program. We can also do more fancy things. For instance, we can say, give us the 1000th prime by dropping the first 999 primes and taking the first element of what remains. So this tells us that the 1000th prime is 7919. So we hope you are impressed by that demonstration about how powerful and concise Haskell is. It is a wonderful language for writing provably correct code and for rapid prototyping. To find out how nice Haskell is to work with, why don't you take this course and learn it for yourself?